Hello again, I bring a new video. We're going to talk about something interesting that some have mentioned during the live broadcast. Many say that's liquidity. We're going to talk a little about liquidity, and we're going to look for we're going to take into account a type of liquidity based on stop loss. Generally in buying option, there is no stop loss. That is, well, firstly, it is what is direction trade. When I talk about direction trades, when I look for a trend, whether if the price goes one direction, that's why it's called directional. The trend that operation with the one of its expiration is the time. It's very different. If you win by 1 point, we win and that's it. Alright? One of the other hand, the other trend, the other kind of direction trade is on by distance. If the price travel, the price stay here, for example, the 5 hours pass and the price did not move, I'm not going to earn anything. Of course, if the market is stop loss, I set the price as a stop loss. Okay, so why do I touch the subject different expression for directional expression? Because there is important niche of liquids on this. Where are the stop stops? Where are the buttons, the trend line, support resistance zones? Where? Above and below, because it's clear. I see the price go down or up in the point if you saw this. Okay, that is very normal. The price shouldn't go to the price always tries. What pro I wake up? That is, if I just support as this, that is stops. It's very far either. But it's sure awake above the price reaction. Generally, sometimes it's only taken off on this. The price take liquid reaction. Of course, it's a downtrend price. Okay, and it's in the wake away. All right. So let's go to the trade view section right now, and there I will show you. Okay. So let's change this and explain then for you how can I try to take this one. Okay, so here we are at trading view. Here I can show an example that I saw in trading view is a tool, guys, a platform where it's helping to define. I don't think it's here. I hadn't seen a wick, but I don't see where it's good different. Maybe we get it right now. You see the supports, you can make a support, and at 1 point, I think it is. This is the wick. I'm going to mark that to see there's a support. Of course, the price is falling. Here it's go up, it doesn't happen. Here's it go up again, and doesn't happen. It's make me reaction. The price, that's the support. But look at this, rally through one more weekend underneath. Although, well, here it also does the same thing, but generally that the stock loss taken. Here's an indicator. I'm going to quickly show an indicator or something alpha liquidation. Hey, do you want to join a group where I share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So, after this one, that's a swear well, and that's issue of term sweat. Where I look for an intermittent reversal and well, how to also wait for the price reposition. Okay, I recommend to use that. That is good for the fury. Okay, so let's take a good look at the price. It's done in the past and how it is determined, right? Okay, look at here. This indicator is formed. It's showing me where the point and interests are. Of course, the interests are all of these ones here. You see that sometimes begin to be created. This is the accumulation of stop loss and the point and look at the price goes up in a waves. No? Then it's fall, sweep underneath, and then react it. In both cases, 1 minute reaction is correct. Look at it form here, reactions that lasts time 1 minute. Now that is what's forming. Alright. So here's another one, right? It's coming from far away. Well, here's a point. Was a part of the other block now it's conditioned by the price action. But look, the price goes above. There's quick reaction. Okay. Maybe you could make a decision in 2 minutes. 2 minutes reaction, 2 minutes reactions, 1 minute. I don't know, it's below here. But it's 2 minutes each reaction. I think it's better 2 minutes. You see, or another point I'm interested is formats. This one. Alright. Look here, the price is falling. We see that price takes wake. Look at 2 minutes. You win because the price falls here. Look at this. Good and well. Alright. I know that this seems like this confuses. But as I said, this is like theory, guys. Okay. So look at that. 2 minutes the price here is at the point would be the wick one. Well, here I don't know if it's closing time, but look at the price, you see that closing and it's fall here and goes up, but I think at 2 minutes is the proof time.
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Alright. The great tool is what a stop loss hunting, and well, that will beat it. I'm not going to take position real because it just take a long time, but I would show you a tool that will help you then find answers and more price action. Even reaction, because here is the point interest of format, guys. Okay. So you'll win, and it would be all for this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video, guys. Have a good one. Thanks so much for that, and see you in the next. Bye bye. See you.